watch this video to the end because I will be reviewing you the tools needed to create a faceless YouTube channel and African folktale stories. Now, the tools needed, we have ChatGPT, we have Mental AI, we have Bing, Microsoft Search Pro, we have DaVinci. Now, how can you be able to access these tools? ChatGPT, you can what? You can go to your Google Play Store to download it, or you can access it on Chrome browser. Just type chatgpt.com. From there, you can be able to what? Access the ChatGPT. Okay. Then what about the Mental AI? The Mental AI, you can access it using your Chrome browser. Just type mental.ai. Mental.ai. Okay, but before you access this mental.ai, all you need either your Facebook account or your Instagram account to access this Mental AI. Now, what about the Bing Microsoft Search Pro? The only thing you need here is just to copy the link. You copy the link like this, and you go to what? Your Chrome browser. You go to your Chrome browser. When you go to your Chrome browser, then from there, you'll be able to what? You paste it and you click enter. When you click enter, from this place, you can see now Bing Pro. You can just download it. Okay, this is how you can download your what? Your Bing Pro. Now, how can you get access to what? To your DaVinci. The same thing applicable. You copy the DaVinci link. Once you copy the DaVinci link, then from here you go to your Chrome browser. From here you can get access to it. From here you can see now DaVinci. Can you see DaVinci? So you can see now from this place you download the app. Now let me show you the app. This is the what? This is the Bing. This is the what? The DaVinci. Can you see the Bing and the DaVinci? The Bing and DaVinci. Now, what about these two app? You can what? You can access it using the link, but the ChatGPT. Let me show you the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT, you can access this ChatGPT. You can access the ChatGPT on what? On your Play Store or what? Or your Chrome browser. Now let me show you the interface of ChatGPT. This is how the interface of ChatGPT is. Okay. Now the only thing you need here is just your prompts. You can ask ChatGPT any question you want to ask. Okay. From here now, I'll teach you how you can be able to generate a stunning images for your faceless YouTube channel. Okay, let's start now. Just ask ChatGPT, generate or give me a prompt. Give me a prompt. Give me image prompts. Image prompts give me image prompt of Nigerian couple in local house. In local home. Okay. Give me image prompt of Nigerian couple in local home. This is the first prompt we have to use now. When you now click this let me show you. You click this arrow. When you click it, ChatGPT will now give you the image prompt. See now. They will ask you choose one. Either you choose this one or this one. So the still processing. So it's either you choose this one or this one. Okay. It's still processing. So this is how you can be able to generate image for your African folktale. And also ask you also ask ChatGPT some lot of questions, some questions you need to know about. So this is how you can be able to what? So you can see now. You can see. Very beautiful. Let's view it. Can you see? Very beautiful. Can you see? So with this, you can start creating your faceless YouTube channel. Now, how can you download it? Is either you long press it or you click this down arrow to download it. Okay, to download it. Now let's give another prompt again. You can just ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt. Give me the prompt. Give me the prompt. Give me the prompt. ChatGPT will now give you the prompt. Okay, with this prompt, you can also use this prompt. Okay, can you see? With this prompt, you can also use this prompt. We are going to use this prompt to generate images using the mental AI, using DaVinci, and also using the what? The Bing AI. Okay, you can just ask ChatGPT again. Give me image prompt of Nigerian banker. Nigerian banker. ChatGPT will give you the image prompt. Can you see? For Nigerian banker, you can just you will now ask, let me know if you want a female version or want the image generated. So you can just okay, give me the image version, give me the female version, give me okay, let's generate the image, the image, generate the image. ChatGPT will generate the image for us. You can see now it's processing. ChatGPT will generate the image for us. Okay. So we are going to use these prompts. We are going to use these prompts on the mental AI. We use this prompt. We are going to use it on this one, the Nigerian couple. We also use the Nigerian banker. Okay, we are going to use this prompt on the mental AI. We use the prompt on the Bing AI. We also use the prompt on the DaVinci to generate images. These images is for what? Is for the ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll teach you how you can be able to use these prompts to generate images from the mental AI and also from the DaVinci and the Bing AI. So you can see now the image for this Nigerian banker is processing. Wow, can you see the image of a Nigerian banker? Can you see the image of a Nigerian banker? Okay, now you can now ask ChatGPT, give me image prompt, or give me a prompt, give me a prompt, give me a prompt of Nigerian village, Nigerian village, Nigerian village. ChatGPT will give you a prompt of a Nigerian village. Okay, so you can ask ChatGPT again. This is the prompt for Nigerian village. We are going to use this prompt and go to Mental AI, go to DaVinci, go to Bing AI to generate images. So you can now ask ChatGPT, give me a prompt for Lagos, for Nigerian city. Sorry, Nigerian city. For Nigerian city. Okay, ChatGPT will now give you a prompt. Give me a prompt. Give me a prompt for Nigerian city. Okay. So ChatGPT will now give you a prompt for Nigerian city. So let's copy all these prompts, and you copy it. You copy the prompt, click select, you copy the first one, Nigerian couple, you copy it and go to your and they come. So you paste it here. You go to the other one again. So you copy this banker, Nigerian banker. This is a Nigerian banker. So you go to the Nigerian village. The Nigerian village. You go to Nigerian village. You paste it there. Okay, you now go to Nigerian city. So this is what we are going to use, and we are going to use this prompt to generate images from the Mental AI, Bing AI, and also on DaVinci AI. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.